arrival ni be ni nsemi kakra baba be bi Kumasi.
Yes, and one who na say ye be Kumasi anope yeah, sorry anope to near my way airport no. I think we are on time, just around this time. And I do Kumasi enti enyumre be training, first training was Baba Yarago Pamaso 4:30. Say coaches no per se first 30 minutes or so no more behind closed doors because and they had only 10 players in training. And then omonya nipadodo no pese almost start your drills no as quickly as possible. Now after the first 30 minutes no omama beshare for Abba inside Abeshe. And then of course the media will have the chance to cover the training. Echina we will train later in the evening because I was say Angola for no training at the kickoff time which is 4 p.m. Into Angola be training 4 p.m. Yeah, be training 5:30 p.m. Tentatively no match commissioner no issue numere proposal I there to on say Angola media engagement with coach now will be at 3:30 and I hear the 5 p.m. and then they will train at 4 p.m. and then we will train at 5:30. Now for Yawadano I can say so at 4 p.m. which is what has been approved by CAF.
Okay. Jonas Ajetebe replaced the injured Jiku. Apart from Jiku, I went to make Jonas replace no beer team bad.
At the moment, we have 22 players. 2 absentees are my Jordan and Elisha. Omba be do Accra and Adri. Now Oma join here in Waha Echanopa. But aside 2 players here and Kaifonu in Waha.
Okay, against Angola, we been here the support from the fans. Their message now at the moment.
Well, very important. Over the years, Yeba Kumasi, Mai, Asante, Mai, Ede Omo, Ahodini Omo, Susum eta team nechi. And we don't think this time it was Sisa. Into Yeba Ghana, Mai say, a baby Ayaba, Ahodini Omo eta team nechi. Mostly when the boys are in camp, Omo Kawasem. We will not take it for granted. We've never taken it for granted. We appreciate that support. Into Yeba say, Omo Ebeba. Ede omohode ni omususu mabeta ya China AFCON qualifiers no yasha here on a good note. Angola are a very good team and we almost send them on delegation list about 75 or so and a free Angola Eba and they are coming from Angola straight to Kumasi on a charter. Inti Omaria da so say omo epese omo ehayen e wa but I think we have a very good record even when nemu ye den you hear points no so badly. Mekai they are inya kishegu no. The spirit of Kumasi evoked, and we were able to win by 1 goal to 0. Inti, we are very much aware of their quality, but we think we are also ready for the game.
The pitch, the issue they be discussing.
Unfortunately, I haven't seen it, so I can't talk much. But from the pictures and from reports, I know Ejuma Kakra oho. But John Pinto was here for a number of days. He sent his report to his boss and ran a meeting. The coach is still concerned, but he wants to see it. Training. No matter what it is, no matter the condition, the situation, the boys will adapt quickly and prepare for the game.
Mr. Twum, 10 players were only around yesterday for the training in Accra. Some had to join in the evening. With 48 hours to go, would fitness be a concern to Coach Ituado ahead of the game?
It's like that everywhere. We are not an exception. When the season starts, you do not have the luxury of time to get your players to come for 1 week, to come for 2 weeks. The same thing is going to happen to Angola or all the other national teams. This morning when I saw Joseph Pintel, I felt for him because he connected about 4 flights before getting to Accra. But it is what it is. It's part of their job. Sometimes even in Europe they travel far distance to play matches. Sometimes they sit on coaches, whether it is a real coach, whether it's a bus coach. They travel for long distance before they play their matches. So I do not want to use that as an excuse. I think these are professionals who are well exposed. Yesterday, 10 players trained, like you said. Later in the evening, we had about 7 of them arriving, and